Hello friend, today we are going to make this jewelry box. This is very easy and simple, and you can make it easily at home with home available items. You can decorate it as per you want. I used homemade clay and cardboard, which one I got it from my laptop. First we'll make it perfect hexagon. To make that one, we are just making a 10 centimeter diameter circle. From the circle, take any point and same 10 centimeter diameter, you just cross it. In this kind of thing we made it in our school life. Perfect hexagon, we using geometry box. Same thing I'm using to make this hexagon shape. Then use a scale and draw the line. It will become perfect hexagon with 10 centimeter each and every arms. Now cut the paper, cut a cardboard as per the hexagon shape. Make it into two pieces and use some square shape paper cardboard like 10 centimeter by 9 centimeter size. Put a white glue. I'm using Fevicol here as a white glue, and one by one part joining. You can join it as per shown in the video. If you have any doubt, any difficulty, please let me know. I'll try to answer you. See, now the hexagon box is ready. Bottom side is ready. Now we'll make a top side. Same one hexagon paper cardboard, and the other size of cardboard 10 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter cardboard I have taken. Now same thing, same like earlier one, I'm just putting Fevicol white as a white glue and fixing the side of a lid. Now I'm taking little bit white paper and we're using Fevicol the side of the bottom side hexagon, just covering it. So while coloring or while putting clay or any kind of decoration, and that edges will come smooth. The lid side is covered with a small size paper, which one is ready, and the bottom side also ready. Now you can check the dimensions, means it's matching properly one or not. I have used one of my recently purchased laptop cardboard for the body. This is the metallic hinge. You'll get it in any hardware shop, and I'm using glue gun, good quality glue gun. We have to use it here because once you fix it should not come out. So I'm using Stanley glue gun, which one I bought it more than 1 year back and using continuously for multiple crafts. Both sides, top side and bottom side of the hinge, I'm putting glue. Once it dried up, it will not come out very easily. I have tried to remove it, but the cardboard itself getting damaged, means it will not remove very easily. Second hinge also fixed. Now we'll test the box whether the lid is coming properly or not. See, it's opening nicely and covering it. Yes, it looked like aesthetic, so I am not facing any issue while closing. I am using one stencil. This kind of stencil you'll get it in Amazon, and just a paper, A4 size paper or chartboard. A little bit press you have to do, then impression will come on the paper. This I have given the link of the stencil in the video description. You can find it in Amazon or Flipkart. Now I have cutted the stenciled paper as a 9 cm by 10 cm size and fixing in the side of a jewellery box. After fixing that one, slightly press it so the impressions will not damage. I have covered the entire bottom side with the same stenciled design, and it looks really nice. Trust me, it will be very useful. You can take any kind of ribbon, design ribbon, it will be good. And top lid, cover this one with a glue gun. Not to use Fevicol or white glue because it will not dry it up very fastly. If you use glue gun, very quickly you can make it. Now I have covered the top lid and just checking it's opening out. Yes, so it was opening. Now top side I am decorating with a little more designed ribbon. This ribbon I got it from local shop. Using white glue or Fevicol, I'm just fixing it out, and then I'm putting a brush to paste it properly from a top side. Now we'll make some flowers and petals and leaves using homemade clay. This clay I have made it home using cornstarch, Fevicol, vinegar and tartaric acid. You can also make it. The video description is given below. This kind of stencil also you will get it very easily in the market. See, the flower is ready, but it is like a 2D flower. We have to little bit bend the petals to get a 3D texture. It will like a original 3D flower once you bend the petal. I have shown in the video how to bend the petal. This kind of clay is very nice and easy to make any kind of shape, and once it get hard you cannot break it easily. So before getting it hard at a little bit soft condition only, you have to give whatever shape you want. Now we'll make some leaves. This kind of stencil again you'll get it in market of 300-400 rupees. In Amazon you'll get it. Just see the video description, you'll get the link from where I bought this one. Everything I have given. Now we'll decorate the top side with flowers. I'm putting again the white glue, just a Fevicol here, nothing but any other glue also you can use it. After putting the flower, just spread side corner and little side also you can put glue. Now fixing the leaves. Yes, this curved leaf, just put some glue and fix it on the top side. But remember to put a little bit more glue on the side, so it should not come out once it dried up. The top side little bit done. Now bottom side also have given fix with the flowers. Again I am decorating the top side with the remaining flowers. Each and every 6 corner I am putting little small size of same flower to decorate the jewellery box. One small flower I am pasting on the top side. Now the decoration is done. Bottom side and top side both looks good to me. I am using acrylic color for the painting. You can use any kind of oil color, but try to avoid that watercolor because watercolor will come out easily. As much as possible you have to color it properly inside and out. There should not be any remaining portion, means any pending portion which one has to be colored, because it will not looks good if you see white or some different color in the black. Even see in the carved ribbon also I am putting black color. Once the color is ready, that looks little bit good and it's glossy also. See, the texture is still there, and the flower also, all flowers are colored, black colored. Now we'll decorate this one with a metallic color. I have taken one sponge and using the sponge tap technique, just taken a little bit color and putting on the flowers, then leaves and everywhere. See, it will give a 3D texture, like a embossed kind of thing, so you can see the shadow and others easily. Using same process, bottom side also put this metallic color, so the 3D looks, exactly 3D looks you'll get it, and embossed will be very highlighted, so it will be very glossy also. See, I have made it, and embossed side is looking nice. Now completely the sponge tap color is done. Now we'll decorate this jewelry box using some stones, whatever you have. If you don't have a stone, just take a clay ball and color it, and you can fix it on the flower petal also. Now it is done. You can visit my channel for more this type of craft. Please subscribe and please support me by sharing this video with your friends who love art.